YouTube channel name is Vivaan Vlogs. And if you want to spell my name, Vivaan. This name is Sennheiser, and also it's HD here, and it's 350BT. BT meaning Bluetooth. It works on Bluetooth. WIRELESS, wireless. And if you want, I'm going to pause the video for some time to read it. But don't leave the video now, I have a lot of more to say. The model number I'm going to tell it again in case you forget. 350BT, BT meaning Bluetooth, and wireless. So you don't need to connect it to wires. And it's Bluetooth. You can just on Bluetooth and it works. And now I want to start opening. In the comments, please tell me if I need to use scissors, but I already know I need to use scissors now. Because of this, if you can see it. Over. Now, time to open it. Actually, I'm not that good at opening it. Whoa! This is cool. Cute. Wow! Super! Okay, now let's just open it out. Oh, wow, that was a loud noise. Whoa. How do we get this thing out? I just have to take it. The headphones. It looks more like a stuffed thing that I don't know about. Actually, this is wire. It's not for just connecting it inside. Just see this to charge it. The charger. And I don't know where the plug went. I think it flew off with the bird. But actually, we have the plug at home. If you can see. I want to open this now. This is the instruction. And basically, I already know what to do with this. Play new gaming YouTube channel, dude. Yes. For my 25th vlog. I don't need instructions. There's 2 cases of instructions. What is this? They both are HD. T3. What does that mean? Oh, now let's open it. Come on. Looks like this can move it. Here's right and here's left. Right one goes on the right side. This is the eating hand, which is right. So does it look too big? Or my ears are too small? I'm just 8, 7 and grade 2 CBSE. And we can adjust it here. If you have a bigger head than mine, you can adjust it. But that is too long for me since it's too big. This is correct for me. This is for 8, 7. This for age 8. Age 9. Age 10. Age 11. Now the full max. Age 12. It's till age 12 plus. Okay, I'm gonna close it for now. If you want to tell me how I look in this, do I look clumsy or do I look so fat? Please tell me in the comments below. And subscribe you how it is. If I don't like it or like it, I'll show you how to connect it to this. Yeah. Okay. Wow. What is this? Oh, the toy! Before I used to have it, I liked it. Okay. Now this. Look. Pretend there's a plug over here and this is connected, okay? Here's the headphone. Connected here. Here, you see the